overall I enjoyed this project. I already had my heart set on this career, and after conducting 5 weeks of research, I now know my heart did not lead me astray. This class introduced me to a variety of organization techniques. I chose to organize my files in a series of Word documents that I then copied into my OneDrive account. This made it very easy to work on my project when I did not have my laptop with me. Originally, I had chosen to use Windows Movie Maker, and then I realized it had become obsolete with Windows 10 upgrade. In place of the program, I used a combination of PowerDirect, which is a Windows 10 video editing app, and Microsoft PowerPoint. This ended up being more difficult than I had hoped. However, thankfully there were plenty of online walkthroughs, and within a few hours I'd gotten used to using these new tools. All in all, I am very pleased with how my final project turned out, and I hope you enjoy it. The Bureau of Labor Statistics describes wildlife biology as the study of animals and other wildlife and how they interact with their ecosystem. This means the biologist would study, observe, and gather information on the physical characteristics and behaviors of animals, as well as the impacts humans have on wildlife and their natural habitats. Wildlife biologists often choose to specialize in certain species: cytology, ichthyology, entomology, mammalogy, herpetology, and ornithology, to name a few, while others choose to specialize in the study and conservation of different habitats. Wildlife biologists often find themselves in a variety of different work environments. Many have opportunities to travel, in sometimes harsh conditions, to conduct field work with different and often at-risk or endangered species, while others work in both local and foreign labs studying their own and other biologists' findings. There are many advancements in technology that wildlife biologists have continued to take advantage of. For example, in a group study conducted by Lask, Garcelis, and Iezo, miniature cardiac monitors were implanted in black bears to gather data on the bears and their reactions to their environments. Due to the limited recording capabilities and memory spaces available in cardiac monitors of the time, this type of experiment was once seldom done, and if conducted, the experiment would only leave researchers with a rough 30 minutes of data, in which they would have to remove the monitors from the bears to retrieve. Now, with our many recent advancements in technology, cardiac monitors can record for a lengthy amount of time and can automatically send their data to a digital system in given intervals, providing researchers with nearly unlimited and much needed data. To become a wildlife biologist, a person must have at least a bachelor's degree in the science, or an equal degree in a similar field like ecology. However, in a wildlife science-based career, education is the key to financial success. Upon surveying their 2009 to 2011 alumni, Oregon State University noted a 51% pay increase in students who continued their education and earned a master's degree in the field. But this doesn't mean you can't have a successful and fulfilling career with a bachelor's degree. In an interview conducted by the Department of Wildlife on recent Humboldt State University alumni, students gave an account of what they went on to do with their careers as wildlife biologists. Bob moved on to become a game warden, enforcing state law while emphasizing on hunting and fishing regulations as well as habitat protection and pollution. Carmen is hiking the mountains of Colorado, tracking links for tagging and data gathering. Melissa does lab work with the United States Geological Survey, examining survival rates, reproduction, and migration of endangered species. And Amanda now works as a zookeeper for Sequoia Park Zoo. Wildlife biologists are extremely important in conserving our world's wildlife. A degree in wildlife biology can lead to a happy, fulfilling career in a constant educational environment with new places and experiences just around the corner.